And first, I'll show you the first collection, or the collection for the month, and it's called Midnight Florals. So I'll have all the information on Chicky Studio in the description box below, but I'll open this up so we can actually see this. And if you look on my channel, either the video right after this one or just before will be a layout using this package. Okay, well, these are cute. Love the florals. I love that the cluster is done for you. I love that. You don't have to do too much to it. Oh, embellishment foundations. Yay. Love those. I love me some embellishment foundations. And if you follow me, you know what I mean. That's how I start my embellishment clusters. Look at all the different flowers and different sizes, and that's what I like. See that same flower, then it's so much easier to do some clusters because I like to vary the size. And there's feathers, more embellishment foundations, bigger cluster. There's even a bull head. I think that's a bull. Yeah, that would be a bull. More flowers and even some like leaf-like. So that's nice because then you can, you know, just by doing something like this, you've already started your embellishment cluster. So that's the first one. Now, this whole thing kind of goes together, like it's all part of the same collection. So you can buy the collection as a whole, or you can buy in different pieces. So this is the Flair badges. So there's 5, and they match the die cuts to a T. I love them. I'm going to be using this collection next. And then you have like Project Life cards. So you have 4x6. Usually there's 3x4s, but let's see what's in here. And they're one-sided. Nice and thick. Love the colors. Is there 2 there? They're so thick that I think there's 2. And then this. Oh, I love this. You can put a nice title on that. Now you can use this in Project Life, or I don't do Project Life anymore. I don't know if I'll ever do it again, but I use them on my layouts as layers. These are super cute. So they, oh, I got one from the back. I love that. There's a ton, and they're all 4x6 from what I can tell. Love it. Okay, holy, there was a lot there. I think there's like 12. Looks like there might over 10 for sure. So a ton of those 4x6 cards. Then I also got Happy as a Lark. That's a wood veneer. I don't think that's part of this collection, but that's what I got. Now I might have gotten some. No, all these are from different collections. So I got 2 things of sequins. I got Sunny Side Up, which is like a peach. Then I got Mermaid's Tail, which is like blue and blue iridescence. And then I got these cute little bows that are blue and green. So that's awesome. And then I got the mixed media part. So I got 2 colorings. The first one is Heidi Ho Blue. Heidi Ho Blue. I want to take it out of the packaging so you can actually see the color. Oh, that's pretty. So in her store, she also sells some mist. So I think I'm going to be using the mist on my page for Wednesday the 16th. Okay, well, last one. Am I going to need scissors for this one? Nope. Okay, so this one is a Vibez. That one's a colorings. So Shimmers has different like categories, and some of them are sparkly and some of them. So this one is called Vibez Pop Art Pink. So that's cool. So I think what I'll do goes well with this collection too. So I think I'll use this on my layout. So I'll have all the information for Cheeky Studio in the description box below. So I'll have their store, their Facebook group, and also if you, for your first purchase, if you use Nicole Jones 911, you'll get 10% off your order. So I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.